Get Rich Slow with John Wolf. Hey, since so many people are looking at refinancing right now, I just wanted to give a brief overview of what the refinance process looks like. But first, I'm a loan officer in Oregon and Washington. Here are my details if you want to get a hold of me. And like, share, and subscribe this video. Okay, so the first thing that's going to happen is hopefully we have a phone call. We just chat about what's going on, what your goals are. Then I would need you to fill out my online application. Should take about 5 minutes, maybe 10. And then after I get a chance to look at it, I'll sort of work up a quick written quote that says something like, hey, your current payment is this much. I think your new payment will be this much. If your loan has been like kind of only 1 year old or less, and by the way, you can refinance at any interval of time. You don't have to wait 6 months or anything. But if you've had your loan for a year or whatever, it's going to show the estimate, the payment difference I expect to get from you. If you're going to skip 1 or 2 months worth of mortgage payments, how much I think that you're going to get back from your current escrow account, your prepaid taxes and insurance, and then how much cash at closing I think you're going to receive. And then based on that, if that makes sense, if you want to adjust something, you let me know, and then I'll work up like the real full quote. And from there, we just have to exchange the necessary paperwork. And then over about the next 60 days, we'll just finish everything up. Refinancing isn't a super fast process unless there's a compelling reason why we need to go fast. And if there is, we can definitely do that. Refinances are actually simpler than purchases. Purchases are done standard 30 days. They can be done a lot faster. Same goes with refinances, except for refinance is, unless there is a grave financial thing going on, you have to tack on an extra 4-day wait. It's just required at the end. But anyways, if you have questions, if you want to know what that looks like for you personally, please feel free to give me a call. Again, my contact information is right here. And hey, like, share, and subscribe because they're just amazing rates out there. I mean, 3% flat is basically a normal quote for a refinance conventional now, and anywhere from 2.75 to 2.25 is kind of the normal quote for a VA or an FHA now. And I'm not talking about great credit. I'm just talking about decent credit. So anyways, have an awesome day.